What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Guys, it finally happened. There is a mask that was created for men with beards. This mask by SKINBUDDY Germany. It's for men with beards. It is made for people like me. I've been saying this for years now that every time I wear a sheet mask, I have to cut off the bottom part because it's just so annoying laying on my beard. I hate when it's draping on my face. For those of you guys that have beards, you know what I mean. If you mask, it's just really annoying when it's dangling in front of your face. So I like to...
That's a good idea.
They should make...
You could probably...
come out with masks that are already cut out for people with beards. Finally, my prayers have been answered. They've been heard by SKINBUDDY. So I'm excited to try this out. I'm really not too familiar with this product. This was just sent to me by the company. I'm fortunate enough to have received this by them for free. So we're gonna give this a go. Simply, this is to help minimize fine lines and hydrate your skin. That's the type of sheet mask this is. If you're interested in my first impressions and review on the SKINBUDDY Germany product here, then keep on watching.
George.
It's George.
George, do feel lighter.
It's George.
You're real smart, aren't you, George?
Schirra.
It's George.
Schirra.
This is a 2-in-1 product, guys. It's not just for your face, but also your neck, which I'm loving because if you're someone like me, unfortunately, I'm always looking down at my phone and the peasants. So I get a little wrinkle right here. Just kidding about the peasants. I don't look down at anyone. I'm an equal. But guys, unfortunately, I see the neck wrinkle happening. You gotta hydrate your neck just as much as your face if you want to alleviate, signs of that. Now, look, I'm lucky enough to actually have a neck because there's people out there that don't even have them. But I'm excited to give this a go. Let's get this open. Enough rambling here, guys. Box is pretty legit. I love this blue color. I wouldn't mind that as a color on my wall. Pretty beautiful. And I'm not sure how many exactly come in here. But let me tell you, I was absolutely shook when this company reached out to me because I've sent in so many videos where I reviewed masks. One day something needs to be invented for men with beards because having to always cut off the bottom part of your mask is just absolutely, it's annoying. And it's a mess. It makes it even more of a mess because the serum goes everywhere. All right, here we have it. That is the packaging, guys. Packaging is very minimal. It's sleek. It is very just masculine. I don't know how else to describe it, but I like it. I love that shade of blue, guys. I'm still living for it. The back of the packaging right here is the exact same as the box. So what I'm going to do is read to you the description of what exactly this claims to do. And it says, if you've got a beard, conventional face masks aren't made for you. That is right. Most don't adhere properly to your bearded area. So using them is difficult and you don't get to enjoy all the benefits. I agree. That's why we developed SKINBUDDY, an innovative 2-in-1 face and neck mask made especially with bearded men in mind. Engineered from our perfect fit stretch cotton sheet, it will stick securely to your face even with a beard. Or you can use it optional to prevent signs of aging on your neck too. Alright, so I'm assuming the part that you would use if you don't have a beard, you can use for your neck. I'm not sure how that's gonna work. It actually has a 5-step process here, so we're gonna start off with step number 1, wash your face. My face is already cleansed, but it's been a couple minutes since I was in the shower, so let me go ahead. And we're gonna hydrate, so we're hydrated now. Step 2 says open step 1 and remove foil. Apply to the top part of your face. All right, so step 1 is up here, and this is step 2 down here. So we're just gonna open up step 1. Very easy open. And usually I like to go like this when I have a sheet mask, just get all the ingredients hyped and ready to work their magic. So we're doing that right now. And let's see if this has a scent. It has a little bit of a smell, but it smells clean. Definitely smells clean. There's a lot of product on this. It's said to remove the foil and apply to your face. So the foil, I guess that's it right there. It's plastic, not so much a foil. I don't know what that is on the mask, because that is not for me. I'm gonna put this on my face anyway. All right, so, oh, it goes right on. Okay, there's definitely a nice amount of product on the mask. Oh my God, you guys, that is amazing. There's nothing here. This is it. I'm hoping this is a miracle worker that I've been praying for, because we already have step 1 down. No parts cut off for the beard. This is crazy to say, but I feel like this mask was like created specifically for me. I know I'm reaching, guys, but honestly, I've wanted a mask so bad for the past like years. Sorry about that, guys. My camera actually died, so we switched cameras here. So if the quality is different, that is why. Luckily, I have 2 cameras. I'm fortunate enough to have 2 cameras. Now your step 2 completed. Step 3, it says open step 2 and remove foil, then choose either. So you have 2 options here. A, which is apply to the bottom part of your face, so right here, or B, apply to your neck for longer beards. Well, I don't have a long beard, but I do have a neck, so we will apply it on our neck. And again, gonna get that activated right there. Those ingredients, very nice. Even like the packaging, guys, for this feels luxurious. I definitely appreciate the packaging for this product. There's no doubt about that. So, you got that. There's a lot of solution in this. Okay, so we're gonna put this on our neck. So the way they have this in the picture is just like the guy has it on his neck. Like, it's not looking any specific way, so let's just put it on our neck. Oh, it is so cold. That is super cold. Oh, but I am loving how adhesive this product is, guys. I think this is like the most adhesive face mask that I've ever used. Like, it just suctions to your skin, which does not happen often with face masks. So I appreciate that. I'm looking a little crazy right now, guys. Looking at myself in this viewfinder, and I'm looking nuts. Oh, maybe I just jinxed the product because it just fell off. Okay, so I know it has these clamps right here. So like, if you do want to put this on like your lower portion, there's a hole for your mouth, and then you just like wrap these around your ears. Obviously, I'm not going to do that again because I have a beard. So why would I do that? I think we're secure this time. So it says to leave the mask on for 15 minutes and relax. I'm gonna try. And then the last step, step 5, remove the mask and gently rub any remaining serum into your skin. Do not wash it off. So basically this wants you to just leave the mask on, let the serum sink into your skin. Before I dive into any more information about this product, guys, I'm gonna relax for the next 15 minutes and really get a feel for this product, so I will see you soon. 15 minutes is up, guys, and I'm ready to take this mask off. Let me tell you, you probably already noticed, the neck part is not on. That was a little complicated to keep on. I'm sure if I was laying down the entire time, it would not be a problem, but I have things going on while I'm filming, so I relaxed, but I did not lay down, so unfortunately gravity happened. Let's get this off. Get off my face. That is nice, guys. My skin already does feel very hydrated. I'm just gonna rub all the excess product into my face, and that's exactly what I did with my neck. Although I did not have the product sitting on my neck the entire time, I did take the solution and work it into my skin. So pretty much does the exact same thing, considering you're not washing off the product. So I love that. And this is definitely a good step to really consider for like your last part of your nighttime routine or anytime routine. But since you're leaving this on your face, might as well sleep in it, right? I mean, that's my way of thinking. But guys, overall thoughts, I'm feeling hydrated. I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling good. This is a really, really nice product, guys. And actually, 5 sheet masks come in this for $30, $29.95, I believe. And they have a really cool About Me section on their website, SKINBUDDY.com. Of course, I will link that down below. Not an affiliate, but of course I said they have sent this product for free. Not sponsored or anything, but I have to say, guys, this is innovative, this is fun, and I'm feeling pretty good. Yes, this was my first time using this mask, so this is my first impression, but overall, not bad, not bad. And this is pretty cool. I found on their website, they have a cool like description and about me of this company, and it says, didn't you feel indestructible in your 20s and 30s, but partying and age soon caught up to you, right? Partying, guys, does a toll on the body. Unless you're something like Paris Hilton, no matter who you are, aging is gonna happen. Age, race, gender, we all age. So take care of yourself, guys. And that's why products like this and the ability to have a platform to like bring awareness to self-care, especially for men, because guys, for some reason, men just think taking care of yourself is not important. But guess what? It is. But this is pretty cool on the website. It says, today's smartphone filters mean you can still look great in photos, but if you don't take care of your skin, when you look in the mirror, you're faced with the harsh reality, fine lines, wrinkles, and dry patches. How true is that? I mean, that smooth tool on Facetune should be completely banned. People abuse the crap out of that. And then it says, aging is inevitable, but you can take proactive steps to delay the signs when using SKINBUDDY. So I'm loving this, guys. The ingredients for this product are absolutely amazing. Of course, I'll list them right here. All very beneficial. Water being the first ingredient. But a lot of ingredients are really to hydrate your skin. And hydration is key when it comes to anti-aging. Like, I cannot stress that anymore. Not even just drinking water, but applying the right ingredients to your face and keeping your skin at a great hydration level and moist throughout the day. You know, whether you're spritzing yourself with something like this or at nighttime, you know, once or twice a week, pampering yourself just a little bit, it is extremely important, guys. But overall, I mean, the main thing I want to take away from this product is how innovative it is. And this is for men. I'm sure women can use it, but it's for men with beards. I'm obsessed with this, guys. And like I said, I feel like this was created just for me, because I've stressed throughout the past years on this channel, I wish there was a product out there for men with beards. It needs to happen. And guess what? It did. And I'm loving it, guys. Check this product out if you are interested in anything like this. They actually have a trial. I believe it's like $5 on their website. Free shipping, by the way, and you could try just 2 of their sheet masks for $5. That is a great deal. Check it out. Link is in the description, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is right here as well if you want to give that a follow, at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆. Until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.